Hey, if you're thinking about signing up for either IPVanish or NordVPN, then definitely watch this video first, because I've been using both of them for a couple months now, and in this video, I want to share everything that you should know before trying either of them out yourself. But if at any point while watching, you do decide to try either one of them, in the video description below, I put links that will save you some money for when you sign up for either platform. Now, which one is better? Well, it depends on what feature you're looking for. There are some things that IPVanish does better than NordVPN and vice versa. Now, when it comes to the number of servers to choose from, well, then I'd say NordVPN takes the cake here. See, IPVanish has over 2,200 servers in over 75 countries, which is a lot of servers, but it pales in comparison to NordVPN, which has 6,125 servers in 61 countries. Now, when it comes to performance, I'd say that it's a tie. Both platforms are known for being fast and reliable, and I've tried both of them out. And to be honest, I didn't really see any difference in their speeds at all. I was able to stream 1080p videos with barely any lag from both platforms. It's also a tie when it comes to security. Both platforms heavily encrypt their files, and they both have a no-log policy, which means that they don't keep any personal data on their servers. Both of them also regularly back up their files with NordLocker for NordVPN and SugarSync for IPVanish. And yes, it is also a tie when it comes to customer support, since both of them have a reliable customer support team that are both polite and professional. And let's not forget their user interface, because both UIs are easy to understand. As if that wasn't enough, both platforms went the extra mile to create tutorials on their websites to make things more convenient for their customers. So it seems like NordVPN and IPVanish are on par, except for the number of servers. Now, this gives NordVPN the lead here, but IPVanish is coming back when it comes to pricing. You see, IPVanish costs, $12.99 a month, and you unlock its advanced features, where NordVPN does have a $12.99 plan, but you only get the basic features here. Now, what's interesting here is that both platforms have a 1- and 2-year plan that are way cheaper considering the rates, but IPVanish is still cheaper in the end. The 2-year plan for IPVanish costs $275 a month, which is way better than NordVPN's basic plan, which is $309. And again, this is Nord's basic plan, so it's not even the full package. So overall, NordVPN and IPVanish are reliable VPN services with their own strengths and weaknesses. They're more or less equal, so it all comes down to preference. If you're looking for server variety, then go for NordVPN. But if you're looking for a cheaper option, well, then I recommend that you go for IPVanish. But if you're interested in trying either of them out, just remember to use the link in the description below. We have discount links for both platforms, so you won't want to miss out on that. And that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a like. I sure would appreciate it. Thanks for watching.